Hi,
Hello, teacher. Good
how are you?
afternoon. I'm fine,
Good
teacher. How are you,
afternoon.
teacher?
I'm also good. So, did you like the last time's drawing what we did?
Yes,
Very good,
I
very
like.
good, very good. So, today we will be starting a new drawing. Take a fresh new page, okay?
Yes,
Yes, I am just placing my mobile
yes.
towards the table so that it will be easy and clear to you. Are you able to see the paper? Okay. So I need something circular because we need to draw a circle. I need something circular. Understanding? Are you able to understand? So this much circle we will be needing. This much circle we will be needing. Okay. Now first what we have to do? First what we have to do? You have to keep your paper in the landscape position. Okay. Horizontally. You have to keep your paper horizontally and just mark a fold at the center. Mark a fold at the center. Just mark it. See, here there is a fold. This is my center of the paper. Okay. So this is the center of my paper. Now, keeping this center in mind, the circle should come that it should look half this side, half that side. Half this side, half that side. Okay, exactly in the center of the paper, the circle is going to come. Exactly in the center of the paper. See, can you see? Yes, very good. So, first of all, this will be the top, this is the bottom. I am going to draw reverse drawing so that you will understand that you have to copy as it is. Now, what we will be doing? From the top, I am saying, from the top, just at the center of the paper of your circle, just take a point, draw a slanting line and mark a point from there, draw a slanting line. So this will be the middle of your paper. This will be the middle of your paper. Understood? Now, draw a straight line from that 2 points, but that middle portion should be remaining open. See, like this. Okay, the middle portion should be remaining open. Now, draw a curve from here to here. Draw a curve from here to here. Down, huh? It is not exactly a U, but U type of curve you have to draw. Then draw sleeping line joining that curved line. Draw sleeping line joining the two ends of the curve. Okay? Draw the sleeping line joining the two end points of the curve. Now, draw a curve here like this. We are drawing the abstract sun and moon. We are drawing the abstract sun and moon. So both the sides curved line like this. Okay, here to your left hand side it will be circle. To your left hand side it will be circle. To your right hand side it will be again a small curve. Again a small curve. Again a small curve. Okay. Now this middle line what we have drawn, what we will do, we will stretch it to the end of the paper. This middle line we will just stretch it to the end of the paper on both the ends. Just stretch that line to the end of the paper. Stretch that line to the end of the paper. Okay. And here, how you have to draw one curve, one zigzag, like this. Okay, here, one curve, one zigzag. Okay, again, one curve, one zigzag. In the same manner, we will be doing this half part. The part where there are all curves. Okay, it is one curve, one zigzag. One curve, one zigzag. Draw a little bit so that it will be easy to color. Okay, it should be visible. One curve, one zigzag. One curve, one zigzag. One curve, one zigzag. Okay, no matter whether you end in your zigzag or whether you end in your curve. Okay. Just complete this and click on the raise hand icon. I will understand that you have completed. Completed? Now here, how we have to draw? Here, how we have to draw a line like square, but it should not, see, it should not join. It should not join. And again, a triangular zigzag, which should not join the line. Okay? So like this and like this. Like, just a second. Like this and zigzag. Again like this and zigzag. like a square, but it should not join inside. Okay? Like a square, but it should not join. Okay? So now you can just draw this kind of line over here. To cover that. Okay? After that, just draw leaving two of these rectangles, draw exact line like this till down. Okay? Again, leaving two of the rectangles like this. From the second one, we will draw again a zigzag line like this. Again, leave one, and from the second, again we have to draw zigzag line. Again, leave one. Here, draw the zigzag line. Same way here, it will be on the curve. Leave one curve, draw the zigzag line. Leave one curve, draw the zigzag line. Again, leave one curve, draw the zigzag line. Okay, you can sketch it through the help of black sketch pen first, then we will be doing the coloring. First sketch it with the help of black sketch pen. Just say me once you are done. Remember, when you are sketching the circle, keep that plate again and draw. Let's start with the coloring. Are you done with sketching?
You're done now?
Teacher, I have finished my work.
Very good, my dear. Very good.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Yes. So now first we will be coloring this part in which there is a round over here. Here this we are showing sun. This is the moon. So inside this round circle, first color medium yellow. Medium yellow, the color's number is 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. In the small circle, first color medium yellow. Now in this half part, we have to color vermilion hue. Color number 449. Color number 449. Okay, only in this much part, my dear. Color number 449. Okay, now take the color primary red, that is 350. 350. Okay, and start coloring this part. Start coloring this part. First do the outline. Every time whenever you are coloring, first do the outline, and we have to color with dark pressure. We have to color with dark pressure. What do you mean by dark pressure? That no white spots should be seen in between. First do the outline with primary red, color number 350. Remember, whenever you are coloring, you can move your paper, but you yourself don't have to move. Sit in one place, you can move your paper. It is better whenever you are coloring like this, color in a circular motion. Color in a circular motion. Okay? Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now here, this side, inside this, you have to color cerulean blue. The color number is 071. 071. Color cerulean blue inside this.
अच्छे से कोई मतलब नहीं होगा, अच्छे से हमने
Okay, first do the outline and then only in the small curve, okay? See, like this.
ये हो
Outside here,
सो होती है ओरिएंटेशन अच्छे से। तो एक टीचर कितना मेहनत की
take your light blue color. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. And color the entire half circle. 2, 3, 9. Again, same instruction. First do the outline. First do the outline, then color the entire semicircle which is left into light blue color. Color number is 2, 3, 9. Remember again, you can move your paper, but you have to not move yourself while coloring or even while drawing. Now, this part of the moon, we are going to color violet. Violet. Color number is 4, 5, 1. 4, 5, 1. Where we have drawn the zigzag triangle and the curve. The triangle and the curve, we are going to color it violet. Color it very neatly. The color number is 451. Color the triangle and the half circles into violet color. Now we will be needing two colors. First will be vermilion hue. The number is 449. Second is medium yellow. The number is 256. Have you done this much, my dear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good.
यहाँ पे इसे अच्छा
Yes. So now this rectangular part you have to do vermilion hue. Remember, only this rectangular part you have to do vermilion hue. So first we will be doing the vermilion hue part, which is this rectangular part. Now the inside left part, whatever we have left, is to be done medium yellow. I have told you the color numbers. Vermilion hue is G449 and medium yellow is 256. See to it that you are not spreading your color out. Also, you are doing first the outline and then coloring inside. Now here, up part I am showing you which colors are there. You have to do at your home, huh? You have to do at your home. I am just showing you what will be the combination. See, one side light green, Okay, one is light green and the other is deep green. One is light green, other is deep green. Okay, this is the part of the sun. Okay, this is the part of the sun which I showed you. Kindly be on mute.
T.
So one is light green, other one is deep green. Don't worry, I will be writing the color numbers
Teacher,
also.
which color?
No, number. Teacher, which
I
number?
will be writing the color numbers also in your this thing, in the message. I will be sending the message. I am just showing you how it is to be done. You have to do as a homework and show it to me on Wednesday. Okay? 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 So one is light green, one is deep green. Again, here light green, here deep green, here light green. Whatever color is, you are getting at the end. Now this side of the semicircle, one will be ultramarine blue, one part will be ultramarine blue, okay, one part will be ultramarine blue like this, and the second one will be gray color. The second one will be gray color. Okay, so this will be the color combination. And don't worry, I am going to share it in the group also. See, one is ultramarine blue and the second one is gray color. In this way, you are going to color here also ultramarine blue and here gray. Okay? This will be a homework for you. I will be even messaging what to do. Okay? Bye.
Yes, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye,
See
bye.
you. Bye.
Bye.